1901. And he shipped coal, real coal, were black with it. And the merchants would offer them one price, and the men would pay half, because they could. And that was wrong, Michael.
Helen McCrory in Peaky Blinders. New figures suggest that coronavirus infections across all 4 nations of the UK have fallen to their lowest level since the autumn. The Office for National Statistics estimates that around 130,000 people, the equivalent of 1 in 500, had the virus last week. The head of the British Armed Forces has signalled his disappointment at President Biden's decision to withdraw US troops from Afghanistan. General Sir Nick Carter said the result may not be quite so bad as some were predicting, but it was possible the country could return to civil war. The leading pro-democracy activist in Hong Kong, Jimmy Lai, has been jailed for 14 months for his role in large street protests 2 years ago. The prominent activist Nathan Law, who is now living in asylum in Britain, says the punishments are absurd.